Alright, we're on our way back from the point, and we've got this really cool thing. Look at this old car here.
It's a really strange looking rock.
Okay, we're going to look at the rock first, and we'll look at this. Alright, what strange looking rock? Oh, that weird curvy one there?
The hot dog rock.
Oh, hot dog rock.
Looked actually like something else when I first saw it.
I'll bet it did. But did you check this out?
Yeah, I did. It's a car.
It's an old car.
Looks like a Mini Cooper gone bad.
Yeah, it's a pretty tiny freaking car. But,
yeah, actually, you want to know what I think it is?
What?
Volkswagen.
Looks like a Volkswagen.
Well, it was a Volkswagen.
I thought Volkswagens are supposed to be watertight. This doesn't look watertight. Been submerged so long it's got rocks on top of it,
they
algae growing in it.
That doesn't look too floated.
No. Well, that was some sort of tactical error.
It's not even what I would call fantastic. It is rear engine something or other.
That's got to be an old VW.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
Well, let's continue on this. Pretty soon we'll see the Statue of Liberty coming up out of the sand. Oh, and the lighthouse.